Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are in a beautiful Skardu, beautiful valleys, mountains, lake, water. We can see fruits. MashaAllah. Alima, looking at all this, मैं सोचती हूँ जो if this is so beautiful, tell me how is Jannat going to be?
Yeah.
I always think क्या होगा जन्नत कैसे होगा?
Yeah, one ayat of Quran can describe that lahum ma yashtahun. You will get in Jannat whatever you desire, whatever comes in your mind. You know, you are longing, wishes. You know, whatever wish list you have, 100%. You know that will come in. Yeah, inshallah. True, but then Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala said, وَلَدَيْنَا مَزِيد. You know, your wish list is so limited, very little. You cannot go out of box. But I will take you, I will give you something which even you cannot imagine, you cannot ask, because your list of asking and requirements are very limited. So that just gives the answer, because sometimes we as a women, we are having this conversation that maybe our reward or gifts or blessings or ni'mat of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala is somewhere is less than men, the huri stuff.
Yeah, I always wonder.
So everything. And then one more thing which I have learned from my Baba, that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting in the same status of Jannah, daraja, rank of Jannah, and Lady Khadija al-Kubra sallallahu alayha, because she's partner of Rasulullah, Zawjatul Rasul fi Darain, in both words. So how that would be? So Baba replies that like even in dunya, we both are in the same place, but your status is totally different. Like your inner, the way you're enjoying, because of you're so positive, you're so clean, you're so pure, and I'm lesser, so my joy would be less.
Okay.
So the same thing somehow, even in Jannah, everyone would be in their own,
mashallah,
inner space, and place is completely different.
So Alima Jan, इसमें मुझे बहुत I'm thinking Alima Jan, if that is the case, कोई competition होगी वहाँ कि ये क्यों इस level में है, ये क्यों इस level में है?
Then that is not a Jannat.
Okay, I get it.
No Jannat.
So competition नहीं होगी.
No, everyone is satisfied.
Mashallah.
Completely.
और वो contentment हमें, how will we get it?
Yeah. That Allah will put, because the curtains will be removed, ilm आएगा, बसीरत आएगी,
माशाल्लाह,
बहुत आसान हो जाएगा.
I can't wait to go to Jannah.
जज़ाकुमुल्लाह.
मुझे ज़रूर ले जाना.
इंशाल्लाह. और ये जबल यानी the mountains, इनको देखकर मुझे ये हदीस याद आती है कि अल-मुअमिनु कल-जबल रासिख, कि मुअमिन जो है एक पहाड़ की तरह मजबूत, strong, like this social media, the bombardment of this marketing and all those media can shake everyone, but not a mu'min. No distraction. Mu'min is always focused, because mu'min is like a jabal, like a mountain. And when I see the water, I remember my father always used to say that, Mama Jan, Razia, look at the water. Water is keep moving. Haraka. And they are fulfilling their duties.
Mashallah.
Look, when they have started their journey, until when they are going to continue.
Mashallah.
So why I'm still? Why I'm not growing? Where am I going? Ask yourself that question. Learn from them. So, like you get motivated when you see the water, that how beautifully, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has guided them. They know their path. Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. They know their sirat al-mustaqim. They are muti'. They are humble in front of Allah. They are obeying, but we are not. So I always say, I want to be like water, clean, clean from inside, from outside, and not only clean but cleaning others,
exactly.
and moving. You know, so
Mashallah.
everything is so important, because if water is still,
Yeah.
so automatically the badboo, bad smell will come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
So if
nicely
water is
explained.
moving, the
Yeah.
freshness. So we also human being, if we stick with, for example, if you have any bad habits, I say, why you are like that? I'm just stick and zoom in your one negative
Negativity,
quality.
yes.
So that bad smell comes from me, and I'm bitter, I'm talking about that. But let it move like a water. Chalo aage, chalo,
Very nice.
jaane do.